300 times forward pulse arm workout. Let's go. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20. 30, 40, 50. Woo. Woo. 50, okay? 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, my mission is to reach 200 and more. So 100, let's go. Yeah. 110. 120. 130. 140. 150. Okay, let's rest. Hey. So we have done 150, many 50. Hey. Let's go. 160. 170. 180. 190. Hey, down 200 rounds for arm workout. Okay, so we're going to add more to this. Are you ready? I am ready. Let's go. Okay, 100 more. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so far we have done 250. Yay! Woo! So many 50, yeah? Are you ready? Let's go. Woo! 60. 70. 80. 90. 100. So that means so far we have done 300 of our workout.